how to transfer crypto from Bitget to Binance. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app. And now, as you can see here, to be able to transfer the crypto from your Bitget app, we need to go to Assets. And now select the spot from the top bar. And now tap on Withdraw. And now select your crypto that you want to transfer. For example, the Ethereum. And now click on On-Chain Withdrawal. Now from here, set the network as the Ethereum because it will cost us less fees. Now after that, to quit the withdrawal address of Ethereum, we need to go to our Binance app and open it. And as you can see here, to get the withdrawal address of Ethereum from our Binance account, we need to go and click on Assets and now select the spot from the top bar and now tap on Deposit from here. And now search for your token, or you can click it just from here from the home page. Now we set the Ethereum as a network in the Bitget, so we need to set it to in the Binance. So after that, what you need to do, just click on OK, and now just copy the withdrawal address from here, and now go back to your Bitget app, and you can paste it here in the withdrawal address box. So enter the withdrawal address, you can paste it here. So I do not know why, it's as you can see. So after that, we can set the amount that we want to transfer, and after that, tap on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your crypto on your Binance account. So this is how to transfer crypto from Bitget to Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.